It is my Friday. It is actually Thursday. I'm just coming out from work and now I will go just across there to Freddy's. I have to do some groceries. Oh, let me turn this. Okay, I have to do some groceries, more like diet stuff and things that we need. It looks so weird with this and this supposed to be there. Okay, anyway, I have to keep this on because I'm just going across the street. But let's go and get some groceries and I will show you what it is that I get also for my diet. Ready to do this. Have my list here and I will go to get all that I need, and I hope I don't get what I don't need. We will see. Let's go first to my meal thing. All the Easter stuff is here. It's so cute. So cute. Look at this. So pretty. And then they have blankets there. What else they have here? They're totally ready for Thanksgiving. I mean, Easter. All the candies. I'm not getting candies. Maybe I will do something for my people that no, a lot. Okay, let's go to get the nail polish because that's the first thing that we need here. Essie has a lot of options, but I'm looking for a very light color that is kind of like brown. Which one is this? This looks good. That's cute too. I think I like more than the other one. Oh, decisions. Maybe I will have these two. I have two that I have to get rid. So I think those are the two. Those are the winners. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the one that I'm using. Okay, it's this too. This one, and look at this one. Pillow Talk. I think we will try this one. Yes, I like that kind of colors. Maybe this is too dark. I think I am putting this back. Too dark. This is $5.99. Here I need yogurt, and then I need for 9 days. So we will get those ones. Those are the best. One of those days that I don't feel like I can film too much because it's like so much people. I got a lot of the stuff that I need, but at the same time it's like comfortable how the people is looking at you, more the security people, like you're stealing when it's with a camera. Let me see, I am looking for the pasta play area. I think in this aisle I have my fake noodles and rice, and I need more of my rice this time. Here they have different. Which one is the one that I like? It's this miracle rice and angel hair. Yeah, they have more sweet pasta, so with good pasta. All these are all of the green. Plant-based bolognese and Alfredo. I like that. I like that. I like that now we have more options in like plant-based. Helps a lot. Oh, let me get the grape juice for my husband. Next section we need cucumbers, tomato, lemon, and cilantro. Tomato will be in the other area, and then cucumber and cilantro. I think it's here. Yes, we got it here. Fine cilantro or cucumber. So now I need lemons, and I don't see lemons too. Only the no organic ones. Well, we'll see. This has been kind of frustrating for me today, not finding a lot of the things that we need. Maybe this one. That I then bring my lunch. I usually come to here to the deli. They have a lot, and they have these chickens and everything that actually are really good. And I will show you here kind of what I got the other day. I forgot to film today my lunch, but it was chicken and boiled egg, and I didn't film, but it's kind of what you see here, that it was turkey and boiled and a yogurt. It looks so. I think we got everything that we need, or maybe a little more. It's enough. So I will go to the self checkout and go home.